Siddhant, what I'm going to do, for that I need a lot of courage.
Anushka Reddy Sinha. You know, you may look very fragile. You may be allergic or a softie. But I know one thing for sure, that you are a very, very strong girl.
Siddhant, I don't know what's going to happen. But you know what? I sense a storm. And for that, I might need you, Siddhant.
Anushka, you very well know that I am just a call away.
Miss Anushka, Radha.
Why did you call me here? He didn't tell me anything either.
Radha, I want you to meet someone. And once you meet her, then all the questions that we have in our mind will be answered.
Why did you call me here?
Siddhant, well, I wanted to handle this matter on my own. Well, you accused my dad after all. So I want you to go in, speak to both of them, and ask them what the truth is. And then whatever you will tell me, Siddhant, I will believe you. Because just as you trust me, I trust you too, Siddhant. But I want you to promise me something. Siddhant, if my dad is proved innocent today, then you will never suspect him again.
Okay. I promise you, Anushka.
Thank you, Siddhant. Now go in, speak to both of them, and tell me what the truth is.
Come. Please come.
Years. I'm seeing you after 30 years. And you didn't even know that I was alive. Where were you? Where were you?
Now, you have got your daughters back. So, now can you tell us what happened 30 years ago?
My husband had a coal mine in Agrapali, Andhra. And KK was the leader of the labor union of that coal mine. KK Reddy. He threatened my husband to sell his coal mine to him at a cheaper rate. And when he didn't agree, he killed my husband. After killing him, he kidnapped my daughter and threatened me to. He wanted me to transfer the coal mine in his name or he would kill my daughter. Tell me then, what else could I have done? I transferred the coal mine in his name, but he took my daughter away and said that she would stay with him so that I stay, Mum, so that I don't complain to the police or anyone else. 30 years. For 30 years I knew that my daughter is alive, but I lived without her.
Mom. That's KK Reddy's daughter.
Please, please spare my daughter. We won't tell anyone anything. We will just leave quietly. Please, please.
You are different. And my favorite too. KK never forgets his promise. KK will definitely fulfill his promise. You have a misunderstanding about KK, I think. If I am proved innocent and Siddhant is proved wrong, then you will not go back to him.
Today, KK Reddy will be exposed in front of everyone.
KK has not done anything like that. How would I know her? It's been long since I left the village.
Mr. Khurana, I'm taking Anushka home. You please take care of both of them. This is the only proof we have against KK Reddy.
Well, Dad knows that Radha is with me, and it might be possible that he may try to find her. Anyway, when I left home, I was alert. No one was following me. But still stay cautious.
Both of you just don't worry. I'll take care of everything here. Siddhant, you please take Anushka back home. I'll stay here. And please don't worry.
Thank you.
Where was Anushka when you last checked?
Mayur Vihar, sir.
And Siddhant?
He was also there, Mayur Vihar.
Why do Anushka and Siddhant meet in Mayur Vihar, which is so far, instead of meeting at home? It is so far. Are Radha and her mother in Mayur Vihar by any chance? Find out. If a friend or colleague of Anushka's or Siddhant's, stay over there.
Okay, sir.
Did Anushka meet Radha and also met her mother?
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले